Managing your money with a partner often feels like a constant back and forth of sending bank transfers or trying to remember who paid for dinner. But opening a joint Revolut account fixes that immediately by giving you both total transparency. You are about to see exactly how to set this up in under 2 minutes. And if you stay until the very end, I will show you a specific setting you need to toggle to make sure your individual subscriptions don't accidentally drain your shared balance. Most people struggle with shared finances because traditional banks make it difficult to see transactions in real time, leading to overspending or missed bills. Revolut solves this by creating a completely separate space where two people have equal ownership and visibility, meaning no more guessing games about how much is left for rent. To get started, pull up your Revolut app and look at your default homepage. You don't need to dig through the settings menu for this. Just look for the Accounts section and tap on Add New right at the bottom of your screen. This opens up a list of different account types you can create, but you want the second option, labeled Joint Account. Go ahead and tap that. Before you move forward, the app will show you some essential details about how this works. It is vital to understand that a joint account means you both own every penny in there. Even if you deposit more than your partner, the legal ownership is 50-50. This is a dedicated account with its own unique bank balance, separate from your personal one. The best part is that you can both order your own physical cards for this specific account, so you aren't stuck sharing one piece of plastic. Once you have read through these terms, just scroll down and hit Continue. Now you need to choose who is joining you. You can find your partner by searching for their rev tag, their phone number, or just selecting them from your contact list if they are already on the app. After you select the right person, hit Continue again. You can actually invite more than one person if you are managing a larger household budget. When you send that invite, your partner will get a notification on their phone. All they have to do is tap Accept, and the account goes live instantly. They can then start adding money or spending right away. To keep this account organized, I recommend setting up a recurring transfer from your main account so your shared bills are always covered without you having to think about it. If you want to dive deeper into managing shared expenses, you should definitely look into how Revolut Pockets work for automated bill sorting.